Dreams are just a snippet of what the real vision is. So when we're getting a dream, that means that our body, our mind, our inner being is telling us that there is more. And when telling us there's more, it realizes that we're not really ready to accept that which we have at this present moment. So we are only going to get a snippet of that, which brings us to the core coaching program. Coaching mastermind that will take you through all the challenges that you may come through. We spend time every week on mindset and replacing paradigms with possibilities. Paradigms will form in your life, and they will bring about these doubts, and they will bring about these episodes where you're not willing to move forward because you feel stuck. You feel like you're just trudging through. You feel like there's no other way. And in that moment of feeling that, we're able to give you a lifesaver that you can put on and wear for the rest of your life, that will prevent you from having to deal with that same message over and over again. You'll break that record. When it tells you you cannot have financial security, we break that record. When it tells you that you're not going to be able to have a healthy and wholesome relationship, we break that record. When it says that you're not going to be able to advance yourself in your career, or to open up a business that is profitable, or to be able to be in a position of leadership, we break that record. And we not only break the record, but we then help you create your new record. We help you create the new space that allows you to function. Because believe it or not, a habit cannot just be tossed to the side, because then there's an empty space. So you have to replace it with something that's going to be there. And that's what we do in the core coaching program. We address mindset. We address money. How do you manage it? How do you create it? How much money do you really have? You may tell me you have $100 and that just all spent out. But in talking to us in this program, when we come back to this program, you will find that we can show you how to do it. I bring in my friends that coach me. You'll have an opportunity to be a part of that program. We address relationships, telling you that when we talk about relationships, the first and foremost relationship you have to partake in is the relationship of identifying who you are and what it is you want and why you want it. And that relationship comes from you diving deep, and we work on that personally. And then we begin to look at how you begin to express that relationship in exchange with other persons on your job, in your family, in your community, and how that's going to impact your life, promises that you're making, the promises of having a life of fulfillment, the promises of having more freedom. If you don't have that inner works together, if you don't have quality relationships with people, or people around you that are able to support you as you are allowing more dreams, more puzzle pieces to become part of the greater vision. So I'm inviting you to join me in the core coaching program. In addition to your mindset, in addition to learning about and maximizing your money, and also about building relationships, those of you that want to have business. Now, let me tell you about business. Whether you want to have a side business on the side, or something you work with the MLM, or you want to create a full-fledged empire, there are certain infrastructures that have to exist. There's certain processes that you need to have so that you can have what I call nod off money. Nod off money means that even when you're nodding off, you're sleeping, you're not doing anything, money is able to be processed. And that means having systems in place. That means having awareness of what products and services are going to best be available that people can take care of while you're not even involved. How you're going to be able to create your space, even if you're selling the same thing that everyone else is. I'm telling you, I am about action. I'm about fulfillment. Time is now. So the core coaching program is available for you right now in this moment. The core coaching program is available to you for $1,350, $1,350, payment of $1,350, or you can make 5 payments of $270. The thing that you need to do is you need to make a decision today to take action. Get to the core. Our core is what gives us our posture. Our core is what gives us our strength. Our core is what roots us to that which we want to believe. That's why it's called the core program. This is me sharing where I have been, looking back and seeing you, or looking to my side and noticing that you're not exactly in a line where you want to be, and I'm willing to provide that with you. The core coaching program, we meet for 3 Wednesdays out the month for 2 hours. It is a group coaching call. There'll be other people. We have a system in which you submit your goals and promises, your questions prior to the call. And then after the call, you can submit some things, and then we can follow up with you via email support or sometimes messenger. Additionally, you will have an opportunity to have 3 one-on-one sessions with me throughout the year. Those sessions are 90 minutes. Those are valued alone by themselves that totals up to be approximately 6 hours. That's what I call a VIP. So those days would normally, a VIP day with me is $5,000. So you're going to get that already rolled into this program. So we've already exceeded the price that you're paying right now, right? Then you're going to get me on the 3 weekly 2-hour calls for 3 weeks a month. All sessions are recorded. Why are they recorded? They're recorded because sometimes when you're getting information, when I'm talking to you, you get into the emotion, your mind goes off. That's what the mind does. So we record them, and I answer all responses that we get from all members in the coaching program. So you get 3 private 90-minute sessions with me for the year, which is valued at $5,000. You get me 3 weeks in a row for 2 hours in a group coaching situation. Additionally, you will also be able to have access to all of our live events and trainings. Those will be given to you. You'll be gifted those. The only thing you will have to pay for is you ever want to be VIP. For VIP, you will have to make a fee. Additionally, you will have access to my tips and tools room. And also, of course, you will always get support via email that you can ask questions throughout the year. So all of that compacted into that or 5 payments of $270. Thank you for being a part of our community. Thank you for being our family. I'm inviting you in to be even more closer with me and not just be a cousin, but I want you to come in and be closer and sit at the table with me. By joining the core coaching program, we are available for you. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to us at 480-269-1038, 480-269-1038, and we will talk to you again soon. Looking forward to seeing you and meeting you within our core coaching program. Talk to you soon.